Hi guys, this is Karthik Mathur from Coding Blog. So today I am here with one very amazing and exciting opportunity for you guys. Now Cuemath is hiring for SDE1 roles. This is not the most amazing news. The most amazing news is it will be offering 13 lakhs per annum, and if you are a CB student or not, you can apply to this particular job in both the cases. So you may ask, okay, what are the prerequisites? What do we need to know for this particular job? So there are only two prerequisites. The first is you should know programming. That is, you should have a good grasp of data structures and algorithms. The second prerequisite is you should be able to join immediately. That's it. No other prerequisites are there. Now you may ask, okay, how can we apply to this particular job? So you can go to this particular URL. So on this particular URL, you'll go to the hiring blocks portal of Coding Blocks. So on this portal, when you'll go, you'll have to enter your profile details. You'll have to enter the details about your graduation year, and you have to upload your resume and other stuff. And then you can apply directly from the portal to this job. Once you have applied for this job from hiring blocks portal, then you need to clear one screening test. So the screening test will take place on 13th June at 7 p.m. and the link for the test would be this. You need to go to this particular hacker blocks link where the test would be conducted. Now you may ask, okay, what is the syllabus for this test? So this test would be based on data structures and algorithms. So it is a programming based test. So once you clear the screening test, only then you will be eligible to sit for the job application process. So all the information that I am telling you, it will be available in the description. So do check out the description for all the links that I have told you and all the other details. Now this is just a start. We'll keep on bringing more such job updates with amazing and exciting opportunities for you guys, and this will be for sure a long-term thing. And in order to ask any query from me that you may have related to preparation or how you need to prepare, you can ask me all the details on my LinkedIn. You can follow me over there, or you can ask me in the YouTube comment section. I'll try to answer as many comments as I can. So that's it for this particular video. I'll keep on bringing more job updates for you. So till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.